A uniform disk is pinned with angular velocity omega and simultaneously projected with a linear velocity v towards the left on a plank that moves towards the right with a constant velocity 2v. If the disk initially rolls without slipping on the plank, then the angular velocity omega is. See here, the disk is rolling, initially rolls without slipping. That means the disk is purely rolling on the plank. So for the disk to purely roll on the plank, if I choose this is the disk and if I choose this is the plank surface, I am taking 2 points, that is, let us say this particular point and this particular point. I am taking it as A and B. So what is A? A is a particle on the disk and at that moment B is a particle on the plank. That is, the velocity of particle A should be equal to the velocity of particle B. There won't be any relative velocity between these two particles for pure rolling. I hope you understood this. Now, what is the velocity of B? The velocity of V is in this direction 2V. That is 2V, in which direction it is? I. And now we need to find out velocity of A. First you have to assume that the disk is rolling in a particular direction, either right or left. So for the time being, let me take that omega is in this direction. Just assuming that omega is in this direction. So then what can I write about velocity of A? Velocity of A will be equal to, you can take omega in the other direction also, it's up to you. I hope you understand that. VA will be equal to, see the center is moving to the left, that is minus VI, and due to omega also it is moving in the other direction, that is minus omega R I. So that means it is negative of V plus omega Ri as per what we have taken. So let's proceed. Here VA is negative of V plus omega Ri and VB is equal to 2Vi. So we have minus V minus omega R is equal to 2V. So we have minus omega R is equal to 2V plus V is equal to 3V. So omega is equal to minus 3V by R. Minus 3V by R. Now what is the significance of this negative sign? Significance of this negative sign means whatever assumed direction is there, actually it is rotating in the other direction. So we can write the negative sign signifies that actual rotation is in reverse sense of assumed direction. Now let us conclude. What we got as omega is equal to minus 3V by R. See, we have taken omega in the clockwise direction. Now we need to take it in the anti-clockwise direction. So if I take it in the anti-clockwise direction, that means if you use your right hand rule, if you rotate it from x to y, the thumb will point towards the z axis. So therefore omega it will be equal to 3V by R and unit vector k. Therefore the correct answer will be 3V by R and unit vector k. So option C is correct. 3V by R and unit vector k. Thank you.